I know a lot of people have been making videos about how much YouTubers make from their ads on their videos.
Today we're going to delve into the analytics of how much I make, and then we'll compare how much I make to other YouTubers.
You can have several different videos with 1 million views that make very different amounts.
So I'm going to tell you how much I make off my videos. It's not as much as these other bigger YouTubers, but it's a decent amount considering that I don't upload as often as like many of these other YouTubers, or I'm definitely not as big. I only have like 1.5 thousand subscribers, I only get like a few hundred views on my videos. And also, since the beginning of this year, I'm no longer monetized on YouTube because of the whole Logan Paul incident with the Japanese suicide forest.
Logan Paul is in some hot water after he posted a video allegedly showing the body of a person who recently committed suicide.
And how that kind of just changed the eligibility requirements for YouTubers to make money off their videos. So, the requirements are here. You need 1,000 subscribers, which I do have, and 4,000 hours of watch time, which I don't have anymore. Last year I had about like 2,000 or 3,800 hours, but since it clocks back to only the past 12 months, I haven't been uploading for the past year because of school and stuff like that. Basically, I haven't been uploading, so now my number is very low. It's about 900, and I don't know how I'm going to be able to get that back up, but we'll see. It's a slow grind, but that is what is happening. So, as you can see here, I'm going through my channel right now. I'm going through my old videos. It's loading. And yeah, so this is a list of all my videos. Watch time, views. So we're going to look at Trump wins election, UCLA riots, and protests. So this video this is like one of my most viewed videos on this channel. As you can see, 133,000 views, 340,000 minutes of watch time. So this is like one of my videos where I didn't edit at all. I kind of just recorded this live. Okay, so some backstory. I filmed this video right after Trump got elected, and there was a riot right after that election. So I kind of went out and just Facebook Live this whole thing, and after broadcasting it on Facebook, I kind of just uploaded the whole video onto my YouTube channel, and it got a lot of views. So we're gonna see how much money that I made from this video, and I made a total of $192 from this video. So it's about almost $200, and it got 130-ish thousand views, as you can see from earlier. A lot of the views came from the United States, and quite a few from outside the United States as well: Canada, UK, India, Kenya, Australia, Mexico. But yeah, it looks like its views came from all over the world, which is understandable for this kind of video. So we're going to look at the rest of my videos. So that video in particular made a lot of money. So 130, as you saw earlier. So we're going to go through another video that did pretty well for me, I think. And that video is how to clean white Converse. So this video was another video I didn't really put any effort into. I kind of just filmed the process of me cleaning my white Converse, which is pretty funny because I did not think this video would get so many views. I think it has 81,000 views, as you can see there. Crazy for a video. It kind of just took 10 minutes to edit, and yeah, it did pretty well. Let's see how much money I made from this. Revenue source. But yeah, it made a total of $57, which is a lot considering that I kind of just passively uploaded it without any second thought of it making money at all. So let's check out what the video looks like for a little bit. So easy life hack, how to clean white Converse, right? Okay, so it pops up as the second one in the search bar. And as you can see, 81,000 views and a lot of dislikes, which is understandable because in the last clip of this video, it kind of switched settings. I did actually do the steps that I did in the video, but I kind of switched settings in the case like I showed the final product in a different location. So I was in the dorms at UCLA and then in the last frame. So that's why I kind of got a lot of dislikes because people thought it was fake. But nevertheless, it was pretty real. I did everything that I did in the video. I did all the baking soda, all that stuff, and then threw it in the washer afterwards, and then it came out pretty new. And people thought I bought new shoes, but you can clearly see like the rips and the folds in my shoes that I showed in the last frame. But yeah, so that's how much money that I've made from 100,000 viewed video. As you can see, it's not as much as obviously it's not as much as other YouTubers that are out there, but it's a pretty decent amount considering, both of these videos were passively uploaded and did a lot better than the other videos that I spent hours editing on. But this goes to show earning potential on YouTube, how much you get from ads. So if we do the calculation, stuff like that, it's approximately like what? For every 1,000 views, you probably would get, for every 100,000 views, you probably get $100 roughly. Roughly around $100. So I got like 133,000, $130, and etc. 81,000. I got a little less, but longer the videos on YouTube, the more clicks that you get, the more ads that you get, the more money you can make. So that's why, considering the fact that this video got 81,000 views, but I only made, a small portion of earning dollars compared to my other videos, because this video is so short. It's only 1 minute long, so probably only one ad would pop up in the middle of the video. While as compared to the Trump video, that was a 40-minute long video, 130,000 views. So yeah, I got, a decent amount for that too. So as you can see, that's how much money you can make from a YouTube channel. So using this as like a template, you can only imagine how much, YouTubers that are hitting millions of views on their videos, how much they're making. They're probably hitting, probably $1,000 per million views, give or take a couple hundred. But that's pretty much the standard for YouTube when it comes to ads. So you can see here, the results don't lie. You can see my analytics right here. Revenue on YouTube from 2013 to 2019, which is, wow, it's like 6 years. That's insane. But yeah, so before the whole Logan Paul incident, I made a total of $539, which I think is pretty impressive considering, I passively uploaded a lot throughout the years. I wasn't too consistent, but considering that I was doing this for fun, it was a fun hobby of mine, and making some side revenue from it, I think those are good numbers. So we can take a look at my other videos. As you can see, a lot of my videos did pretty well. My older videos like Trump wins, the reaction video, gentrification, easy life hack, etc., etc. We can go down the list, but yeah, I had a lot of watch time, a lot of views, and the views pretty much correlate with the amount I've been making. So, $580, throughout my time on YouTube. With this YouTube channel, I've had other YouTube channels throughout my time, but yeah. So in this part, we can see that a lot of my viewers are from the United States, primarily 68.8%, but scattered percentages around the world too. Kenya, Mexico, Thailand. Wow, that's just insane. That's insane. Yeah, but anyway, so that's those are my earnings from YouTube. It's been it was fun diving into the numbers, seeing this from a different perspective. I think there's a lot of videos out there like this, but I think this is a very unique video in the sense where you get to see how much a smaller YouTuber like me makes, where I'm not really uploading on a consistent basis. So yeah, YouTube is pretty good. That's just ads alone, so not including like sponsorships that I've had or other extraneous things, but just from ad clicks alone, that's how much I've made, which is insane. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this was informative. I hope you've taken something from this video, and I hope that you've gotten a deeper insight on like how much money there is to be made on YouTube and how much other YouTubers might be making too. So please subscribe. It really helps a lot. Please leave a like also. That helps a lot. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, other than that, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Peace out. See you later.
Right here with no more nine. Off.
Apologize for the janky setup. I live in a house where there's not any good lighting. So yeah, you're gonna have to deal with this for now.